Let us write the number 0.0018 multiplied to 10 to the negative 1 in standard form and correct to 3 decimal places and to one significant figure. The first thing to do is to write that number as a single decimal number. So 0.0018 multiplied to 10 to the negative 1. The power here is negative 1, so we're going to move the decimal point one place to the left. All right, so let's write the number again. We'll move the decimal point one place to the left. And so our answer becomes 0.00018. So this number is actually 0.00018. Now, let us write that number in standard form. 0.00018 in standard form, we're going to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right. So that we'll have 1.8 times 10. Since we are moved towards the right, the power takes the negative sign. So this number in standard form will be 1.8 times 10 to the negative 4. That same number, writing it correct to 3 decimal places. This is the decimal point. So we'll count the number of decimal places. First decimal place, second decimal place, third decimal place. And we'll check the digit immediately after that decimal, after the vertical stroke. The digit is less than 5, so everything after the vertical stroke will be thrown away. And so our answer is 0.000, which is just simply 0. Now that same number to one significant figure, 0.00018, to one significant figure. We remember that the digit 0 is counted significant only when it is sandwiched between non-zero digits. Now, this digit is not sandwiched between non-zero digits. This digit is not sandwiched. This one is not sandwiched. This one is not sandwiched. So all these zeros here, they are non-significant. So we will not count them. So our first significant figure here is this digit 1. And the second significant figure is this digit 8. So we're asked to approximate this number to one significant figure. So we will not count all of this, but that does not mean that we're going to throw them away. We'll write them again there. But we are here with our first significant digit, this one. We'll draw a vertical stroke and we check the digit immediately after that stroke. We see that it is more than 5. So we round it up to 1 and put to the digit immediately before the stroke. And so our answer here will be 0.0002. So this number to one significant figure is 0.0002.